Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Shailesh. Good evening, Ganga. Good evening to all of you. Okay, I'm properly audible. My voice is clear. Good evening, Nishtha. Okay, so let us get started with the today's class. Solar system. I'm saying sorry. Continents associated with questions हैं that we will be practicing. Okay. Good evening, Dhanvi. Okay, so the first question we have is what is the total number of continents in the world? These questions are strictly based from NCERT, तो आप उनको बहुत ही easily solve कर पाओगे. Okay, so provide your answers. Which of the following continents? Total number of continents that we have. How many continents are there? Okay, so let us have a look. Total number of continents that are there. How many continents are there? So you have to keep in mind total continents we have are seven. Seven continents है हमारे पास. What are the names of the seven continents? Asia, Africa, Australia, then you have Antarctica, South America, North America. Okay, so total number of continents that we have are seven continents. How much area of Earth is covered by land? That is divided into seven continents. So question आपको simply इतना ही पूछ रहा है. Good evening everyone. That what percent of area has land? कितना percent area में land है? And what percent of area has water? You skipped Europe, Abhinav. You skipped Europe. Good evening, Anvi. Okay, provide your answers. What will be the right answer for question? How much area of Earth is covered by land? Okay, sorry. Yes, B is the right answer over here. Yes, B is the correct answer. Okay, 29% of area on the land. किससे covered है? The 29% of area on land is covered with land. So Earth का 29% of area of Earth is covered with land. Good. Next is the question number 3. Which of the following is not one of the seven continents? Good evening, Aditya. Which of the following is not one of the seven continents? You have the options. Which of these is not the continent? Africa, Australia, Russia, or Antarctica? Good. You are providing C as the answer, Dhanvi. Good evening, Satvik. Okay, 13 of you answered correctly here. Rest of others are also answering correctly. What will be the correct answer? Correct, Yashmeet. Which is not a continent? अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे तो Russia is not a continent. Africa, Australia, Antarctica. The three of them are continent. Next is question number 4. Which is the largest continent? Area wise भी ले सकते हो आप, population wise भी ले सकते हो. What is going to be the right answer? Which is the largest continent area wise as well as population wise? Largest continent. Question number 4 we are solving. Okay. For fourth, Ananya is providing the answer B. Shashwat B. Yashmit is providing B. Okay. And correct. Dhanvi is also saying B. Let us have a look what everyone else has answered. Ashima Abhinav Maitreya. B here is the correct answer. तो प्रज्ञा ध्यान रखेंगे ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं. In terms of population भी हम कह सकते हैं. In terms of आप कह लो area wise, Asia is the largest continent. Which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent. The greatest part of total landmass lies in which part of the earth? The greatest part of total landmass lies in which part of the earth? Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern or western hemisphere? किस hemisphere में most part of the land is present? Okay, very good. You're providing A as the answer. Yashmeet, Dhanvi. Shashwat is saying B. Okay. Yes, in terms of number of countries, it would be Africa. Good. Maitreya remembers it. Nice, Maitreya. करेक्ट. सबसे ज्यादा लैंड एरिया किस हेमिस्फीयर में प्रेजेंट है? नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर, ईस्टर्न और वेस्टर्न. वेरी गुड आन्या एंड अंश. सात्विक, सुजय, तेजस. गुड. Okay, what is the correct answer? Greatest landmass. सबसे greatest part of total landmass lies in which hemisphere? In the northern hemisphere. Greatest part of total landmass कहाँ पे present है? The greatest part of total landmass is in northern hemisphere. So correct answer we will have for the question is option A. Next is question number 6. Asia covers a total of total land area. Total कितना land area Asia cover करता है? Asia covers total what percent of land area? कितना लैंड एरिया एशिया कवर करता है? गुड अनन्या. Asia covers about total land area of Earth. How much land area Asia covers? 1/3, 2/3, 3/4 or 2/4. What will be the right answer here? Okay. Corrected everyone. The correct answer is Asia covers 1/3 of total land area. जितना भी land area है Earth पे उसका 1/3 area कौन cover करता है? Asia covers 1/3 of the total land area. No, it is not. ओके सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा यहाँ पे? टोटल लैंड एरिया इज 1/3. एशिया कितना लैंड एरिया कवर करता है? एशिया कवर्स द 1/3 ऑफ लैंड एरिया. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. एशिया इज सेपरेटेड बाय यूरोप बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग माउंटेन रेंजेस? Asia is separated by Europe by which of the following mountain ranges? Which mountain range separates Asia from Europe? This is the chapter of continents, Abhinav. Okay. Correct. D, everyone is providing the answer over here. And let us have a look. What will be the correct answer for question? NCRTs में भी आपको mentioned है and बहुत ही importantly याद रखना है. Asia is separated by Europe by which mountain range? The Urals mountain range. They separate Asia and Europe. Okay. So correct answer क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Option D, Urals. Urals separate Asia from Europe. So correct answer would be option C. Okay. Sorry, option D. Okay. Next question is which of the following continent has largest share of population? Question number 8. Which of the following continents has largest share of population? Yes, it is there in NCRT. Dhanvi, correct. It acts as a sheet. Correct. You remember it, Satvik, correctly. Okay, so which continent has a largest share to the population? The largest share to population. सबसे ज़्यादा population किस continent में है? So we have to keep in mind it is in India. So the largest share to the population is of Asia. Okay, so this question is also very simple. हम देख सकते हैं question number 9. You can simply provide its answer. Which continent has the two most populous cities, India and China? Asia. Our country India lies in Asia. So which country has two most populous continents, India and China? Yes, it is not there, beta. We discussed it in the class. Class में notes लिए थे अभिनव हमने. The highest point of the earth, Mount Everest, is in which continent? The highest point of the earth, Mount Everest, is in which continent? Mount Everest किस continent में located है? The highest point of the earth, Mount Everest, is in which continent? Antarctica, Europe, Australia or Asia? Mount Everest is in which continent? Good evening, Meera. D. Good, Dhanvi. Correct, Aditya. Okay. Yashmeet is also correct. What will be the right answer over here? Correct. Ashima, Jay, Sarvagnya. What is going to be the right answer? The right answer is Asia. Mount Everest lies in which continent? Asia. Can anyone tell which country? किस country में Mount Everest present है? In which country the Mount Everest is there? हमने continent to discuss कर लिया. It is in Asia. But then which country of Asia? Quickly. It will be which country of Asia? Nepal. And the mountain range is Himalayas. Okay. No, China nahi hoga, Bira. Nepal it is. And the name of mountain range we have is Himalayas. Okay. Next is Which of the following is the lowest place of Earth? Which of the following is the lowest place of Earth? I think this is question we'll be leaving. Okay. Yes, lowest place of Earth. Question number 11. Is it visible? Okay. Good evening, Ayush. Which is the lowest place of Earth? Death Valley, Caspian Sea, Sundarbans, or Dead Sea? Death Valley, Caspian Sea, Sundarbans, or Dead Sea? Caspian Sea is not the one. Okay. So lowest place of the Earth क्या होगा? Lowest place in the Earth is Dead Sea. Correct. So right answer we will have is option D over here. Next question is Asia is bound to north by Arctic Ocean, to the east by Pacific Ocean, and to the south on. Asia के north पे क्या present है? On the north of Asia we have Arctic Ocean. On the east we have Pacific Ocean. तो south में India के क्या present होगा? That you actually have to provide the answer for. So what is going to be the correct answer for this? Provide your answer. Good, Meera. No, Shashwat. Atlantic Ocean कैसे होगा? Where you studied it? Satvik? Okay. So have a look. What will be the correct answer here? Asia is bounded to the north. India, Asia के नॉर्थ पे आपको क्या मिलेगा? आर्कटिक ओशन. ईस्ट पे हमको क्या मिलता है? पैसिफिक ओशन. एंड व्हाट इज देयर ऑन द साउथ? इन साउथ वी हैव इंडियन ओशन. Okay, in south we have Indian Ocean. So this you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now, one more very important thing, since we are talking about Pacific Ocean, तो Pacific Ocean के लिए आपको क्या याद रखना है? Pacific Ocean is the largest as well as the deepest ocean in the world. RMS में आपको question पूछा गया था, which is the largest ocean. So you have to keep in mind Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest as well as the deepest ocean in the world. Okay, correct. Yes, Mariana Trench. Next after this is which of the following is largest lake in the world lying at the junction of Europe and Asia? Which is the largest lake of the world lying at the junction of Europe and Asia? Hello, Ashima. Question number 13. Good. Ayush को याद है. Very good, Ayush. Okay. Okay, 6 of you answered correctly and many of others are also answering correctly. तो बेटा याद रखना है लार्जेस्ट लेक के लिए कभी भी क्वेश्चन आएगा सो कीप इन माइंड लार्जेस्ट लेक इज कैस्पियन लेक. लार्जेस्ट लेक इन द वर्ल्ड कौन सा लेक होगा? द लार्जेस्ट लेक इन द वर्ल्ड इज कैस्पियन लेक. द डीपेस्ट लेक इन द वर्ल्ड इज विच लेक? बाइकाल लेक. एंड द हाईएस्ट लेक इन द वर्ल्ड इज टीटीकाका लेक. सो करेक्ट आंसर वी विल हैव ओवर हियर इज कैस्पियन लेक. कैस्पियन लेक इज प्रेजेंट एट द जंक्शन ऑफ यूरोप एंड एशिया. सो लार्जेस्ट लेक आप इसको याद रखोगे. जिनको याद नहीं था, दिस वाज इंपॉर्टेंट. Please write it. Just write down largest lake and write as Caspian Sea. Okay. Next after this we have blank is the largest river in Asia and the third largest river in the world. Blank is the longest river in Asia and third largest river in the world. Option D. No. How come it will be option D? A कैसे होगा? सात्विक. Which river? Amazon कहाँ एशिया में present है? Just look at the options before answering. How come Amazon river would be there in Asia? How come Nile river would be there in Asia? Ashima, Nile river एशिया में कहाँ है? Longest river in world it is asking. Longest river in Asia and third largest river in world. Read the question carefully. Good. Correct. And Shanya also answered correctly. Longest river in Asia in Yangtze River and it is also the third largest river in the world. Okay. Yes. So what is going to be the right answer? C. Yangtze River. Yangtze River is the longest river of Asia, and it is the third largest river in the world. Next is, which of the following is the second largest and second most populous continent after Asia? Which is the second largest and second most populous continent after Asia? जब आप लोग answers provide कर रहे हैं, just write down the question numbers as well, so it will make it easier to see which question, for which question you are providing the answer. Okay, world's second largest and second most populous continent after Asia कौन सा होगा? North America, Australia, South America और Africa? D. Okay, good. D is the correct answer. So largest continent area wise and population wise है हमारे पास Asia. After Asia, we have Africa. Okay. Next is, which continent has highest number of countries? Next question, which continent has highest number of countries? Which continent has highest number of countries? B. Okay. Good. Meera, Dinesh, Anya, Dhanvi. Okay. Let us have a look. What is going to be the correct answer? Which continent has highest number of countries? Highest number of countries are in Africa. Okay. Africa में बेटा highest countries है. Dhanvi, not in Asia. Which continent has highest number of countries? Africa has the highest number of countries. Next is, according to the United Nations, total countries कितने होंगे अफ्रीका में? According to United Nations, how many countries are there in Africa? Correct, Mithra. That's right. According to the United Nations, total number of countries in Africa. Good. The total number of countries that are there in Africa, how many countries are there? So you have to keep in mind, total 54 countries are there in Africa. That is highest for any of the continent. So सबसे ज़्यादा countries किस continent में है? It is in Africa. Which continent is also called as dark continent? किस continent के लिए another term हम use करते हैं? Dark continent. Which continent is also referred to as the dark continent? A very simple yet a very interesting and a very important question. Which continent is referred to as the dark continent? South America, Antarctica, Africa or Asia? Good. See, everyone is providing the answer here. How come B will be the answer, Satvik? किस question के लिए आप answer provide कर रहे हैं? What is going to be the correct answer? The right answer we will have for the question is good. Africa. किस continent को हम dark continent कहते हैं? Africa is referred to as the dark continent. So this you have to keep in mind. Next is the highest mountain peak of Africa. Which is the highest mountain peak of Africa? Go ahead. What is the highest mountain peak of Africa? Godwin Austen, Mount Kenya, Mount Kilimanjaro or Mount Elgon? Question number 19. Godwin Austen, Mount Kenya, Mount Kilimanjaro or Mount Elgon? Which is the highest mountain peak? Okay, so for Africa when we are talking about, तो आपको यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है, which is the highest mountain peak of Africa? The highest mountain peak of Africa is Mount Kilimanjaro. So right answer is option C. अगर question India के लिए आता है, which is the highest mountain peak of India or in India is, then you will keep in mind Mount K2. Okay, Mount Everest is in Nepal. For India, if the Ashma questions पूछेगा, तो आप क्या mark करोगे? K2. Okay. Yes, for India it will be K2. Next is question number 20. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in which country? आपको country का name बताना है. It is located in which country? Yes, even before the question was asked, you already told the answer, Mete. I remembered it when we were discussing, then only you told the answer. Good. Ananya, you are answering correctly. What will be the right answer? Correct, Veena, Ananya, Amira, Yashmeet. What is C and D, Satvik? Either it can be C, either it can be D. दोनों आंसर्स कैसे होंगे? Okay, so correct answer is D. Write it everyone. जिन का answer correct था. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in Tanzania. Right option D is the correct answer. Okay, Mount Kilimanjaro is located in Tanzania. Okay. The next is question number 21. From which of the following continents all the three important latitudes, equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn passes? किस continent से all the three of the important latitudes, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and equator passes? Good. Correct, Dhanvi. Veena. Correct, Satvik. Okay. Good. Very good. And Shanya. Jay, Ashima. Good. So what is going to be the right answer? The right answer is Africa. Africa is the continent through which all the three important latitudes, Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn passes. So right answer we will have here is Africa. ये question बहुत ही important है, आपको पूछा जा सकता है कि किस continent से तीनों latitudes pass होते हैं. So this is the only continent to first so right answer would be option B. Next is Atlas Mountain Range is located in which continent? Atlas Mountain Range is located in which continent? Okay, so go ahead, provide your answers. Atlas is the mountain range of which continent? अभी तक हमने कौन सी mountain range के लिए discuss किया? We discussed about Himalayas in Asia. We discussed about Urals that act as a border between Asia and Europe. And the third one we are discussing is Atlas. Atlas is present in which continent? D. No, Atlas is not. It will be not be D. बेटा एटलस माउंटेन रेंज एटलस कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होगा? Why? Okay, mountain ranges में I think everyone is little confused, right? Okay, let's have a look. Atlas जो mountain range है वो कहाँ पे present है? Atlas is a mountain range of Africa. So please write it. Please correct it. Atlas mountain range is in Africa. Okay, some of you are saying Europe, तो Europe नहीं होगा. Okay, Atlas mountain range is in Africa. Okay. Okay. Next is question number 23, which is the largest country by area in Africa? Question number 23, which is the largest country in Africa by area? Area wise आपको बताना है कि largest country कौन सी होगी? Tanzania, Algeria, Nigeria or Egypt? Yes, because currently we are discussing Africa, no? So that's why the questions are for Africa. Largest country by area, Tanzania, Algeria, Nigeria or Egypt? Okay, good. Okay, so what is going to be the correct answer for question? Let us have a look. The largest country by area in Africa is Algeria. Okay, Algeria is the largest country by area in Africa. Next is the Central Highway of Central Africa. Highway of Central Africa is another name for. किसके लिए another name है? Highway of Central Africa. For which river it is called? Which river is also called Highway of Central Africa? River Nile, River Congo, River Zimbabwe or River Kwango? Which river is also called as Highway of Central Africa? B. Good. Okay. What is going to be the right answer for the question? Highway of Central Africa. किस river को हम कहते हैं? River Congo is called as Highway of Central Africa. तो ये आप यहाँ पे याद रखिएगा. Which river is called Highway of Central Africa? River Congo को हम कहते हैं Highway of Central Africa. Question 25. Which is the biggest desert in the world? ये आपको सैनिक स्कूल में भी पूछा गया है. Previous year question है. Which is the biggest desert in the world? Previous year question है. सैनिक स्कूल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम 2022 में आपको पूछा जा चुका है. Okay. So, which is the biggest desert in the world? Very good. This is a very simple question. Everyone is also answering it correctly. क्या correct answer होगा यहाँ पे? Option C. Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world. तो correct answer क्या होगा? Option C. Sahara Desert, which is the largest desert in the world. Okay. C is the correct answer. Ayush. Good. Sahara Desert. Okay. Good. So, this you have to keep in mind. Okay. Okay. The next question after this, Kalahari and Namib Desert lies in which continent? Question number next after this is Kalahari Desert and Namib Desert lies in which continent? किस continent के deserts हैं ये? Kalahari Desert and Namib Desert. Yes, I know you are attending the class, Ayush. I know. Earlier also I knew it was you. Right now also I knew it is you. B. Okay, good. Dhanvi, you're answering B. Kalahari and Namib Desert lies in which continent? किस continent में होंगे? Kalahari Desert और Namib Desert. हमने discuss किया था. If you will remember, we had a very big geography class. उसमें हमने study किया था Kalahari Desert and Namib Desert. कहाँ पे present है? They are the deserts of which continent? So Africa आपको याद रखना है. World's longest river Nile flows through which continent? World's longest river Nile flows through which continent? So वर्ल्ड की आपको ये क्वेश्चन भी आया था लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर एंड लार्जेस्ट रिवर सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज लार्जेस्ट रिवर अमेजॉन लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इज नाइल सो लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर नाइल फ्लोज थ्रू व्हिच कॉन्टिनेंट इट्स ओके गुड इवनिंग रिधिमा बी ओके गुड बी एवरीवन इज प्रोवाइडिंग एज द आंसर और करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा यहाँ पे बी वर्ल्ड्स लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इज नाइल गुड सो नाइल कहाँ से फ्लो होती है नाइल फ्लोज थ्रू द कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ अफ्रीका सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी next is what is the source of river Nile? What is the source of river Nile? Nile river कहाँ से originate होती है? Simply the question is trying to ask you what is the source of river Nile? Is it Lake Nasir, Lake Chad, Lake Victoria, or Lake Tanganyika? Which is the correct answer? Okay, no, B is not the right answer. Yes, Ashma. Good, Riddhima. How come you forgot this सातवें कभी पढ़ा था ये तो हमने recently. What is the source of river Nile? Lake Victoria. Okay, Nile river कहाँ से originate होती है? Nile river originates from Lake Victoria. Write it for those of you जिनको याद नहीं है. Lake Victoria. Okay, source of Nile river is Lake Victoria. So good. Jai, Rudra, Ashma. Okay, D is the correct answer. Lake Victoria, right. Next question after this. The Nile river discharges its water into which of the following sea? The Nile River discharges its water into which of the following sea? Okay, let us have a look. What will be the right answer? Nile River discharges its water in which of the following sea? Good. C will not be the answer, Dhanvi. Okay, what is going to be the correct answer for this question? The right answer will be Nile River originate कहाँ से होती है? Nile River originates from Lake Victoria and it discharges its water. It discharges its water in Mediterranean Sea. So correct answer we will have is option B. It discharges its water in Mediterranean Sea. Okay. Next is which is the southernmost tip? ये question important नहीं है. We'll skip it. Question number 6. 6 पे जाएंगे हम. Okay. What is the name of the ocean between North America and Africa? Which ocean is present between North America and Africa? Okay, enough. Now the question is visible. It is there now. Yes. Question number 6. Got the answer? Okay. Provide your answers, everyone, for question number 6. Name of the ocean between North America and Africa. Arctic Ocean नहीं होगा. Ayush, Arctic Ocean is incorrect. Good. Sunita is right over here. What will be the correct answer for question? The right answer we will have is Atlantic Ocean. Okay, the ocean between North America and South America, the ocean is called Atlantic Ocean. Next is, which of the following separates Africa from Europe? Which of the following separates Africa from Europe? Suez Canal, Mediterranean Sea, then you have Isthmus of Suez or Arabian Sea. So correct answer आपको बताना है what is going to be the right answer for question. Okay. Got the answer? Okay. Yes, we left to the 5th question. What is going to be the right answer? D. D is not the right answer in this case. Provide your answers, everyone. Good. Okay. Anshanya, Jay, Rudra. क्या करेक्ट आंसर होगा यहाँ पे? मेडिटेरेनियन सी सेपरेट्स अफ्रीका फ्रॉम यूरोप. सो राइट आंसर आप याद रखेंगे. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर ओवर हियर. ओके. यस सात्विक, बी इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज, which is the most populous and oil rich country of Africa? Yes, Ashima, that's true. That is correct. Okay, here is the question. Most populous and oil rich country of Africa. Got the answer? Okay, you know all the answers about Asia, but with Africa you have little difficulty. Okay, Satvik. Okay, let us have a look. What will be the correct answer? The right answer we have over here is Nigeria. Okay, most populous and oil rich country in Africa. सबसे populous और सबसे ज़्यादा oil rich country कौन सी होगी? It would be Nigeria. Okay, so this GK class now we will be summing up here. Okay, hello Rishikesh, you are a little late for the class, but it's okay. Okay, so yes, he is. It's almost been 32 minutes and he is late by 32 minutes. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Why now? Okay. Okay everyone, so this GK class will be summing up now and we will join back again. कल भी हमारी class होगी 8 o'clock पे at the same time. So all of you can join back again at 8 o'clock. Okay. And this will be summing up here. So bye everyone. Good night. I'll let you know the topic for tomorrow's class in advance. Okay. Bye everyone.